So we're about 20 kilometers north of Castlegar. We came on this boat ramp, which is huge. I mean, you'd never think. I mean, it's got huge steel piles, nice ramp right into the lake. Road coming down. Wouldn't want to be bringing anything much more than that, to be honest. Well, I mean, you could, but some of the corners are a little tight. But yeah, boat ramps down there. That area where the truck, that red truck is, would usually be underwater, I think. Because this is, excuse me, a reservoir. Oh, I see a truck on the far shore right by the lake. So, thought we'd let these two out for a bit of a run. What have you got all over your head, Missy? You knucklehead. Truck's still in one piece. So, yeah, we're about, what, 20 kilometers from Clearbrook, or from Castlegar? Yeah. Beautiful country. Some dark looking clouds up there, though. But, yeah. We even came through a little settlement. Looked like it said Deer Park on one sign, but then there was another sign that said Musylvania. Yeah. I think somebody knows Rocky and Bullwinkle. But beauty.